Across the plain, war cries rose like a storm hungry for flesh. Bronze conch shells glinted amid the iron roar of 10,000 drums. Yet two notes would soon rise, not louder but deeper than every shout. Krishna, the dark-hued cowherd, now charioteer, touched the reins of 5 white horses. Their manes flowed like Ganga water, untouched by the dust of approaching armies. Beside him, Arjuna flexed fingers that once bent bows now curled round a conch. This is not merely war. It is the moment Dharma must speak or perish. Duryodhana's drums boomed pride, believing volume alone could crown a lie as truth. But righteousness needs no thunder. It rides on breath purified by intention. Scholars call this verse the divine response, transcendence answering mere noise. White horses symbolize untainted thought, pulling the mind away from muddy desire. Madhusudana, the slayer of doubt, raises Panchajanya to his lips. The shell's spiral remembers every ocean it once ruled as home. Arjuna mirrors him. Devadatta, his conch, hums like a restrained star. Together they inhale, drawing the battlefield into one shared lung. The sound that emerges is not heard. It is remembered by the soul. It is the frequency of Dharma, older than any language of war. Across the field, elephants lower their heads, sensing grass they once grazed together. Bowstrings slacken, even arrows forget their hunger for hearts. For 5 beats of silence, righteousness becomes audible. Modern psychology calls this limbic resonance. One calm nervous system resetting thousands. The conches do not command. They remind every heart of its original purity. White horses paw the earth once, stamping approval on the silence they carry. Krishna lowers Panchajanya. The spiral now holds the battlefield's first truthful breath. Arjuna exhales, feeling grief lose its grip like frost under sunrise. Because when Dharma speaks, it never raises its voice, it simply vibrates home. The echo fades, but the silence remains, teaching that truth needs no repetition. In your own battles, will you add noise or offer the sound that stills? Remember, the conch lies within your chest, waiting for one pure breath. Blow it not to win, but to remind others they were never enemies. Let the white horses of your thoughts pull you above the dust of reaction. Because every battlefield quieted by Dharma becomes tomorrow's grazing ground for peace. This is the promise carried on the breath of Madhava and Partha. Not victory, but remembrance, that we are all seated in one chariot. Close your eyes, the conch is still sounding, guiding you beyond the fight. Listen until the war inside forgets its name and returns to the ocean.